In today's show, Bitcoin's best quarter one since 2013 to escalate if the $9,500 resistance is broken, according to this crypto trader, and taking a look at the quarter one returns from 2014 all the way to 2020. You can see back in 2014, we were negative 39%. In 2015, negative 23%. In 2016, negative 3%. Then in 2017, we have an 11% gain. In 2018, negative 50%. And in 2019, last year, we had 10% gains. But this year, 29% gains in the first quarter of 2020. Now, the only other year we can compare 2020 to, considering it's the year of the halvening, is 2016, where in the second quarter we had 61% gains. What will the second quarter gains be like for 2020? We're going to be discussing this in today's show. Also, in today's episode, altcoins are surging, but why in the world is John McAfee bashing Bitcoin again? He shared on crypto Twitter, whichever Bitcoin Maximalist came up with the term shitcoin for all other coins was brilliant. But we all know that the future of crypto rests with the altcoins. Bitcoin, old, clunky, no security, no smart contracts, no DAPs, is the true shitcoin. We're going to be breaking this down in today's show. Also in today's episode, a massive 500 Bitcoin sell order hits Binance for the first time in a while. This has a significance. We're going to be breaking it down in today's show. As you can see, we haven't seen this in a long time. A 500 Bitcoin sell order is approximately $4.5 million. So we're going to be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. I'm going to be doing a Bitcoin price action, and we're going to discuss where the Bitcoin price is likely to go from here. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released. Also, before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right in. Bitcoin's best quarter one since 2013 to escalate if the $9,500 resistance is broken, according to this crypto trader. Bitcoin investors have already made more on their holdings this quarter than any quarter one since 2014, as data shows a sustained influx of institutional interest. According to findings from statistics resource Skew Markets, Bitcoin's gains so far in 2020 amount to just under 30%. In no other quarter in the past 6 years did the markets perform that strongly. So by contrast, quarter one tends to be an underwhelming period for Bitcoiners. 2014 saw 39% losses, while 2015 and 2016 saw Bitcoin drop by 24% and 3% respectively. Only 2017 and 2019 managed to produce positive moves, but at around 11%. Neither comes close to this year. 2011 and 2013 were the years quarter one returns were the strongest at 165 and 570%, according to Bitinfocharts, as we can see right here on your screen. The impressive stats come amid renewed faith in Bitcoin's long-term potential. Bitcoin futures data suggests institutions truly are engaging with crypto on a new level as more products hit the market. Aggregate open interest across futures products is now higher than ever, with Skew recording a total of around 3.7 billion as of January 28th. Volume across Bitcoin markets is also on the rise. Volume tells all, trader Scott Melker summarized as he hailed encouraging progress for Bitcoin price versus volume in 2020. Here's what he shared on crypto Twitter. Volume tells all. A true trend is identified when volume is rising. Blue arrows show volume and price in agreement. Red arrows show price action on descending volume. Price going down with volume equals consolidation, not a bearish trend. Volume may be rising with the price. Again, as we can see, he shared in this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check it out. So is Bitcoin approaching a greed correction? That higher price is also subject to speculation from commentators. In an analysis on Tuesday, trader Tone Bays demanded the $9,000 level hold for at least several days before he considers a bull market in effect. Another indicator, which is the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, which I share with you every day, which charts Bitcoin's likely price trajectory based on investor sentiment, is flashing bearish. So with a score of 57, the metric is slanted towards suggesting the market is due for correction. And taking a look at this Bitcoin quarterly return charts once again. So in the first quarter of this year, we're already up 29%. And if this year is anything like last year, we saw 161% gains in the second quarter. I can tell you this, I'm extremely bullish considering the Bitcoin halving is in May of 2020, which is just over 3 months out. So I expect this to be another awesome second quarter for Bitcoin, but time will tell. What are your thoughts? What do you think is going to happen? I'm going to predict that in the second quarter of 2020, we rise over 100%. Hopefully it's over 200%, but I am just so bullish with the Bitcoin halving as we're heading into it here in the next few months. What are your thoughts? Do you think we will continue to rise in the second quarter of 2020? Drop me a comment right down below. And in other crypto news, altcoins are surging, but why is John McAfee bashing Bitcoin again? He shared on crypto Twitter, whichever Bitcoin Maximalist came up with the term shitcoin for all other coins was brilliant, but we all know that the future of crypto rests with the altcoins. Bitcoin, old, clunky, no security, no smart contracts, no DAPs, is the true shitcoin. And let's take a look at some of the replies to his tweet. Bitcoin Meme Hub put, "Okay, boomer, Bitcoin is old and clunky." He also put, "Boomer yells at Bitcoin." Let's check this out. Boomer yells at Bitcoin because he got to eat his what? You got to love Bitcoin Meme Hub. Show them some love here on Twitter. They always make me laugh. And here's another funny meme. Go figure. I think he had this coming, you know. Bitqueen replied to John, "This guy has become an even bigger joke lately. I put Justin Tron above him even. LOL." Cisco responded to her, writing, "Well, counter his argument then. Instead of offending an individual with an opinion, I also believe he is right, as most Bitcoin maximalists spread FUD around a project that has potential, such as BCH, XRP, even Ethereum. Is that not driven by fear?" And Bitqueen responded, "He was all in Bitcoin a few weeks back. Instead of Bitcoin doesn't pump X, math doesn't exist." Laughing my ass off. And Cisco responded again, "I don't care about John's previous tweets or his lifestyle or things in the past. I'm just pointing out that this tweet is not completely wrong. Bitcoin needs to renew to keep up or find use cases that works besides speculation." What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. John Kwowski wrote, "John, no one takes you seriously. You're a joke. Bitcoin is continuing to crush alts and will always. There are no tokens like Bitcoin. All the other alts have several tokens that are the same." Ravi responded, "Who's the man who was extremely bullish on Bitcoin, predicted $1 million Bitcoin by 2020, and bet his what on it? Now he lost the bet, backed out, took a U-turn, and started talking shit instead. Oh yes, that'd be John McAfee." Lewis Phillip wrote, "I think the dollar is the true shitcoin. Touche. I agree, 100%. Lucas Zanella wrote, "Name one smart contract or DAP for Ethereum that everyone uses. Anything that has added real value to the game, there's none. No one wants this shit." And McAfee responded, "Have you been living in a cave? Ethereum is only one of dozens of chains that support smart contracts. Second, DAI, the most stable of all coins, is based entirely on Ethereum smart contracts. Better to stay silent and be thought a fool than to speak and revive all doubt." Crypto markets have been on fire this week. Another 10 billion has just been pumped in, and crypto pundit McAfee is back bashing Bitcoin as some of the top altcoins make double-digit gains. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, we can see Bitcoin is up 2.6%, currently trading at $9,275. I feel if we can stay above that $9,250 level for the next couple days will continue to shoot up. And if we can surpass that $9,500 resistance, that we will continue to climb and surpass 5 digits back above that psychological resistance level of $10,000. Ethereum is up 2.7%, trading at $175. BCH up 4%, trading at $383. BSV, one of the few major coins in the red, down 5%, trading at $285. Miss Litecoin up 1.6%, trading at $60. BNB coin up 1.7%, trading at $17.97. XRP up 1.8%, trading at 23.7 cents. Link is up a couple percent, trading at $2.70. So as you can see, the alt market is pumping. And back to John McAfee, it seems that the $1 million Johnson Wolfing wager is now off the table, and the new flavor appears to be of altcoin variety, though he hasn't hinted what. Minus Monero. I've heard him mention Monero numerous times. It's not the first time McAfee has berated Bitcoin. Last month, he labeled it ancient technology, liking the digital asset to the Model T Ford. Maybe it's just another effort to stir up the Instapot of toxic tribalism that has pervaded crypto social media lately, and it appears to have worked, judging by the responses. The bottom line is that Bitcoin and smart contract DApp platforms such as Ethereum serve two completely different purposes. So there's plenty of room for both in the embryonic crypto sphere. Yes, that's exactly correct, because Bitcoin is used as digital gold, a store of value, a safe haven asset, right? Whereas Ethereum could be used for its platform, DAPs, smart contracts, etc. So I agree here 100%. So shitcoins are surging. Back to altcoins, and markets are moving today with a number of them hitting double-digit gains. Cardano is on fire at the moment with the rare move to take ADA into the top 10 with a market cap of $1.4 billion, which just eclipsed Ethereum Classic. The 16% surge has taken prices to a 6-month high, but it is still woefully down from its all-time high. The move has been driven by the Cardano Foundation partnering with PwC to commercialize its platform. IOTA is also having a huge pump at the moment with 20% added on the day, taking it to 4-month high just below 30 cents. The IoT token has been battered from the past 2 years and still has a long way to go. Ethereum Classic is the third high cap altcoin doing well at the moment with 17% added to reach 12.3, and Tron has surged by 14% as it taps a 2-month high. Other altcoins getting a double-digit boost this Wednesday include Zcash, Bitcoin, Siacoin, and Nexo. The total crypto market cap is sitting at $254 billion with $125 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance, which has taken a step back, is at 66.3%. And in other crypto news, a massive 500 Bitcoin sell order hits Binance for the first time in a while. Here's what that means. Bitcoin's recent movement up towards its 2020 highs at 9,200 and above, where we're currently at, caught some bears by surprise as it appeared to elucidate a significant amount of strength amongst Bitcoin's bulls. The bears are currently fighting back. However, as one whale just put up a 500 Bitcoin market sell on the crypto exchange Binance, which could be one of the factors behind the crypto's inability to stabilize above 9,000. Coupled with this bearish Bitcoin sell order is the fact that Bitcoin's open interest is about to hit $1 billion, which is a level that has historically been touched just prior to massive sell-offs. One factor that has heightened the bearishness of the rejection is that the fact a whale just placed a 500 Bitcoin sell order worth nearly $4.5 million on Binance, creating a sell wall that may prove to be insurmountable for the bulls. Here, checking out this tweet from Hasaka. There's something we haven't seen in a long while, a 500 Bitcoin sell on Binance. For as long as this sell wall is in place, all the buy orders around Bitcoin's current price will be absorbed, thus leading it to stagnate or drift lower. Another factor that could lead to Bitcoin to see some further bearishness is the fact that Bitcoin's open interest is just a hair beneath 1 billion. The reason why this is important and bearish is because historically Bitcoin has incurred sharp sell-offs each time its open interest balloons to this level. Taking a look at this tweet from Jacob Canfield, he wrote, "Open interest on Bitcoin is currently at $943 million. Every time we've hit 1 billion, we've seen a pretty big sell-off. Let's see if this time will be different. So there you have it. I gave you both the bullish and bearish scenarios for Bitcoin in the crypto market. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And let's check out the top gainers in the top 100 in the past 24 hours. We got Block Stamp up 101%. Holy moly. Trading at $1.55, but check out the 24-hour volume. It's only 14,000, which explains everything. Kick token up almost 49%, trading at 0.00008. Holy moly. Never heard of that one either. PundyX up 18%, trading at 0.0001. Nexo up 15%. Trading at 13.8 cents. Ethereum Classic up almost 14%, trading at $12.17. And Zcoin up 11%, trading at $5.86. And taking a look at the top losers, Synthetics Network leading the pack, down 13%, trading at $1.03. Satoshi Vision down 5%, trading at $286. Centrality down 4%, trading at 7 cents. Crypterium down 3%, trading at 40 cents. Yapstone down 3%, trading at 27 cents, and Steam down 3%, trading at 16 cents. And taking a look at the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are still dominating in control, leading with about 66 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with longs leading 50.7% versus 49.3% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish at the time being? Drop me a comment right down below. We've already checked out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. We're currently rated a 57 in greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So we'll see what's next for Bitcoin. And I want to encourage you to check out the community section of my YouTube channel. It's very interactive. I just shared my most recent poll. Who do you think Satoshi Nakamoto really is? 22% put a collective of the cypherpunks, 4% put Craig Wright, 21% a living mystery man, 17% put a dead mystery man, and 36% put who the hell knows. And then prior to that, I asked, in which year will Bitcoin hit 6 figures? 18% of you put in 2020, fingers crossed. 42% of you put in 2021, which is my prediction. I believe Bitcoin will hit 6 figures in 2021. And 15% of you put in 2022. And 18% of you put in 2023 or above. And 7% of you put never ever. What's up with that? You know what I mean? And one other one I'll share with you. February 1st, 2020, which is now 2 days out, what will the Bitcoin price be? And 25% of you put between 8 and 9,000. 19% of you put below 8,000. Damn bears. And 9 to 10,000, 35% of you. 9% of you put 10 to 11,000, and 12% put above 11,000. And what's looking to be most accurate is the predominant answer between 9 and 10,000, being we're currently trading at about 9,300. So be sure to check out the community section of my channel and interact. It's going to be fun. I also want to encourage you to check out the description by clicking see more on below any of my videos. I have very detailed descriptions of what's going on, followed by lots of resources for you to tap into. You can check out my blog and podcast over at cryptonewsyes.com. You can download any of the episodes. Of course, I'm going to assume that you've already subscribed here on YouTube and you're receiving the notifications on a regular basis, but we're also on iTunes. So be sure to subscribe to us. We're on all the major podcasting platforms, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher, etc. Also, be sure to follow us on Twitter so you don't miss a beat with what's going on in the crypto market. And then I also have a private crypto Facebook group, currently over 17,000 strong. I encourage you to be a part of it. Just click the link and request to join. And I also have a private crypto Telegram group I'm very active in. And if you'd want to participate with fellow cryptopreneurs and mastermind with us, be sure to join this group. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin rocket ship heading straight to the moon. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news so we can go on this rocket ship where no man has ever been before. The moon. You got that right. The moon, baby. the moon. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.